In this video, what we're going to talk about is tapping holes blind. So they're not going to go all the way through. The drill will go to a specified depth and the tap will go to a specified depth. It's important to remember that we do have to go deeper generally when it comes to the drill part of it. The drill has to make room in the bottom of the hole for the chips created by the tap. So you want to make sure you have some extra down the bottom. So we'll get into it now. All right, so we've got our sketch points all set up. I'm going to click on the hole tool. Click on the hole locations you want. All right, and now up here, the distance. We want extents to be at distance. The hole type is still simple, still tapped. But now we get something called thread offset. Because we put distance in here, this other choice of thread offset, either having it full or offset, comes up. For doing blind holes, you have to have an offset. That is going to allow a different set of parameters to come in, so you can have a deeper drilled hole than the length of the tap. All right, so this first dimension on the little picture down here, going from top to bottom, that's your drill depth. All right. This one, the thread offset, I'm not going to worry about that right now. It's the thread depth that's important. So if I want a thread depth on this of a 1/2 inch, right? And then I can put my drill depth a little bit lower than that, say 0.625. All right. And I'm going to change my size of this to 1/4 inch. So it's 1/4 2B. All right. And I'm just going to click OK and zoom in and show you something here. What you can see is way down the bottom, there's this area that's not threaded. So the tap will only go down so far and stop here. That's where the tap stops. And then there's a distance of about 1/8 of an inch from the end of the tap to the bottom of the drilled hole. That's the area that gives us room for chips. Now, individually, different size holes require different extra depth for the drilled part of it, and we can talk about that on an individual basis. But this is how Fusion 360 works, is really what I'm getting at. And if we double click on this hole to look at it again, we can change those depths if we have to. We can change the size if we have to, all kinds of different things. And that's about it.